Today, we're diving into the world of programming with an exciting overview of the best Android applications for learning Java, Python, and C. So, let's get started. Learn Java programming. Java is one of the most widely used programming languages, particularly in Android app development. Applications like Solo Learn and Java Programming provide a comprehensive introduction to Java concepts, including object-oriented programming, data types, control structures, and more. These apps typically feature interactive coding challenges, quizzes, and a community for peer support, making the learning process engaging and effective. Users can practice coding on the go, with hands-on exercises that cement their understanding of Java syntax and programming logic. Learn Python programming. Python is renowned for its readability and versatility, making it ideal for beginners. Apps such as Learn Python and Pi offer a user-friendly platform to master Python concepts, whether for web development, data analysis, or automation. These applications provide bite-sized lessons, interactive coding environments, and real-world projects that help users grasp fundamental programming concepts. With features like a built-in Python interpreter, learners can write and run code directly within the app, which enhances their hands-on experience and boosts confidence. Learn C programming. C is a foundational language that underpins many modern programming languages and systems. Apps like C Programming and Learn C focus on teaching the core aspects of C, including syntax, functions, pointers, and memory management. These applications often include tutorials, practice problems, and quizzes to test knowledge retention. Users benefit from structured learning paths and the ability to write and execute C code within the app. Exploring C programming helps users develop a strong understanding of how software interacts with hardware, an essential skill in computer science. Thanks for watching. We hope this video has given you some insight into the top Android apps for learning programming in Java, Python, and C. Happy coding!